Welcome to Financial Mastery Insights. Imagine having a personal finance assistant that works around the clock, analyzing your spending, spotting hidden savings opportunities, and even suggesting smart investments in real time. Sounds like something only the ultra-wealthy would have access to, right? Well, thanks to artificial intelligence, that power is now in your hands. AI is revolutionizing personal finance, giving everyday investors access to advanced insights that were once reserved for Wall Street professionals. From AI-driven budgeting apps that track your expenses effortlessly to investment platforms that optimize your portfolio with cutting-edge algorithms, technology is making it easier than ever to grow and protect your wealth. In today's fast-moving financial world, every dollar counts, and knowing how to leverage AI could be the key to taking control of your financial future. So whether you're looking to save smarter, invest better, or simply make more informed financial decisions, stick around as we explore the game-changing world of AI in personal finance. Let's dive in. Number 1, understanding AI in finance. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines programmed to think and learn. In the realm of finance and investment, AI plays a pivotal role by streamlining decision-making processes and enhancing efficiency. Its applications range from risk assessment and fraud detection to personalized financial advice and market analysis. AI analyzes vast amounts of data at lightning speed, uncovering patterns and trends that might go unnoticed by human analysts. This capability allows investors to make informed decisions based on real-time insights, ultimately leading to better financial outcomes. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, AI can predict market movements and assess the potential risks associated with various investment strategies. Among the popular AI tools making waves in personal finance are robo-advisors and budgeting apps. Robo-advisors use algorithms to create and manage investment portfolios tailored to individual risk tolerances and financial goals. Meanwhile, budgeting apps utilize AI to track spending habits, suggest saving strategies, and help users stick to their financial plans. Together, these tools empower individuals to navigate their financial journeys with confidence and precision. Number 2, AI-powered budgeting tools. In the quest for better financial management, AI-powered budgeting tools have emerged as game changers. Apps like Mint and YNAB, YNAB, harness the power of artificial intelligence to help users take control of their finances. These tools not only track spending, but also analyze your financial habits to provide personalized insights. Mint, for instance, connects to your bank accounts and categorizes your transactions automatically, giving you a clear picture of where your money goes. It also sets budget goals based on your spending patterns and alerts you when you're nearing your limits. Similarly, YNAB focuses on proactive budgeting, encouraging users to allocate every dollar to a specific purpose, which helps in prioritizing savings and reducing unnecessary expenses. The benefits of automated budgeting are significant for your financial health. By utilizing AI, these tools save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on your financial goals rather than getting lost in spreadsheets. With real-time tracking and tailored suggestions, you can make informed decisions that lead to smarter spending and increased savings, ultimately paving the way for a more secure financial future. Number 3, smart investment strategies with AI. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we approach investment strategies, making it easier for both novice and seasoned investors to navigate the complex financial landscape. One of the most notable innovations in this space is the emergence of robo-advisors, such as Betterment and Wealthfront. These platforms utilize AI algorithms to create and manage personalized investment portfolios based on individual risk tolerance and financial goals. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of market data allows it to identify trends and predict potential outcomes with remarkable accuracy. By continuously monitoring market conditions, AI can adjust investment strategies in real time, ensuring that your portfolio remains aligned with your objectives. This dynamic approach helps investors capitalize on opportunities while minimizing risks. Moreover, the importance of diversification cannot be overstated. AI tools can recommend a diversified portfolio that spreads investments across various asset classes, reducing the impact of market volatility. Additionally, AI enhances risk assessment by evaluating historical data and market indicators, allowing investors to make informed decisions. By integrating AI into your investment strategy, you can achieve a more balanced and effective approach to growing your wealth over time. Number 4, AI for stock market analysis. In the fast-paced world of stock trading, AI tools are becoming essential for making informed decisions. Platforms like Trade Ideas leverage artificial intelligence to provide stock predictions and insights that can significantly enhance trading strategies. By utilizing advanced algorithms, these platforms analyze vast amounts of historical data, identifying patterns and trends that can inform future market movements. AI algorithms sift through years of market data, evaluating factors such as price fluctuations, trading volumes, and economic indicators. This analysis allows traders to make better decisions based on data-driven insights rather than relying solely on intuition. With AI, investors can spot potential opportunities and risks more effectively, leading to more strategic trades. Moreover, the importance of real-time data in trading strategies cannot be overstated. AI tools continuously monitor market conditions, providing up-to-the-minute information that is crucial for executing timely trades. This capability enables traders to react swiftly to market changes, maximizing their chances of success. By integrating AI into stock market analysis, investors can enhance their trading strategies, ultimately leading to more profitable outcomes in an ever-evolving financial landscape. Number 5, cost-saving AI applications. In today's consumer-driven world, AI applications are proving to be invaluable for saving money on everyday expenses. Tools like Honey and Camel utilize artificial intelligence to help shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. Honey automatically finds and applies coupon codes at checkout, ensuring you get the best possible price on your online purchases. Meanwhile, Camel tracks price history on Amazon, alerting users when prices drop or when items reach their desired price point. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data allows these tools to identify discounts and cashback opportunities that might otherwise go unnoticed. By scanning multiple retailers and comparing prices, AI can help you find the best deals available, saving you both time and money. The benefits of using AI for smarter shopping decisions are significant. Not only does it streamline the shopping process, but it also empowers consumers to make informed choices based on real-time data. By leveraging these AI applications, you can maximize your savings, reduce impulse purchases, and ultimately enhance your overall financial health. Embracing technology in your shopping habits can lead to a more budget-friendly lifestyle. Number 6, risks and considerations. While AI offers numerous advantages in the realm of finance, it's crucial to recognize its limitations and potential risks. Understanding these limitations is essential for making informed financial decisions. AI algorithms are only as good as the data they are trained on, and they can sometimes produce inaccurate predictions or overlook nuanced market factors. Moreover, the need for human oversight cannot be overstated. While AI can analyze data and suggest strategies, it lacks the emotional intelligence and contextual understanding that human investors bring to the table. Relying solely on AI without critical thinking and personal judgment can lead to misguided decisions, especially in volatile markets. Additionally, as AI technology continues to evolve, staying informed about its developments is vital. New tools and updates can significantly impact how we manage our finances, and being aware of these changes can help you leverage AI effectively while mitigating risks. By combining AI capabilities with human insight and ongoing education, you can navigate the financial landscape more confidently and make smarter, well-rounded decisions that align with your financial goals. In summary, the integration of AI into personal finance offers a wealth of benefits for saving money and investing smarter. From budgeting tools like Mint and YNAB that help track expenses to robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront that optimize investment strategies, AI empowers individuals to take control of their financial futures. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI provides insights that enhance decision-making and promote smarter spending habits. Leveraging technology in finance is not just a trend, it's a crucial step toward achieving financial growth and security. As we continue to explore the capabilities of AI, it's essential to stay informed and adapt to these advancements to maximize their potential. If you found this discussion helpful, We encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insights on personal finance and technology. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who could benefit from these valuable tips. Together, we can navigate the evolving financial landscape and make informed decisions that lead to a brighter financial future. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.